You now you can see how they showing.
The handle pulls on to open the door. Here's the attachment here that it needs to hook onto. That black lever needs to be pulled backward when you insert the new handle. So you can just slip a string or a shoelace, shoestring in there. There's the black lever. Okay, the trick to getting it back in, well, first this thing has to slip right into its slot back there. But you have to pull back on the black lever, while at the same time inserting the front end of the handle into its slot. And you'll see that there's a slot that it will slip right into. Once it's in there, you can tell it's well lined up and ready to go.
That means the hook and the stepper hook I have seen. Here there is a small white or black lever. That one must be insert here. There is angle, so inside angle, not back side. So this is the technical, and then you can just push it forward like this way.
You have to pull back on the black lever, while at the same time inserting the front end of the handle into its slot. You'll see that there's a slot